everybody. Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you some of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at two of our brand new underbar liquor display racks. Okay, so these are underbar liquor display racks, and we're going to have two sizes available. Okay, we're going to have a 12-inch and a 24-inch. They're all stainless steel units. Do have white in the inside, which is just a protective peel-off sticker. You can go ahead and take that out once you receive the unit. It's just to ensure that the unit doesn't get damaged or scratched during shipment. Okay, these units are going to be certified by the health department. You can locate your certification on the front of these units. Okay, let's go ahead and start off with our first size. For the length, you're looking at 12 inches. For your depth, you're looking at 29 inches. And overall height, with the legs, you're looking at 33 inches high. On to the second one. Okay, length 24 inches. Your depth will be 29. Okay, 29 inches, and your overall height with the legs, you're looking at a total of 33 inches high. Okay, so that's going to be your measurements. Underbar liquor display rack. Okay, so underboard liquor display rack, we have two sizes available. Go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information regarding these units, including the price for each. Now, if you have any other questions regarding one of these units, you can also give us a call and we can help you guys out. Thank you for watching.